Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. In the second part of the standard deviation videos, we'll show you an example of how to use standard deviation functions. You may recall that the standard deviation is a number that tells you how far numbers are from their mean. Please note that this video does not provide a review of the mathematical concept itself, but rather it demonstrates how to apply the related functions in Excel. In this example, we want to calculate the standard deviation of some population points from 2002 to 2012. We input standard deviation.s, highlight the individual populations, and press return or enter to get the answer. Similarly, if we simply want the standard deviation of the entire population of individual population points, we input standard deviation.p, highlight the entire list, or enter the complete cell range to get the answer. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.